हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल टाइनी टॉट्स। आज मैं सेंस ऑर्गन के बारे में बताऊंगी। वी हैव 5 सेंस ऑर्गन: आइज, एयर, नोज, टंग. फिफ्थ वन इज स्किन. वी कैन फाइंड स्किन ऑल ओवर द बॉडी. Let's start with eye. The eye gives the sense of sight. We see with the help of our eyes like shapes, color and read as well. Now the second one is nose. With the help of nose, anything. It can be a good or bad, like flour, food, garbage and smelly socks. Now the third one is air. With the help of air, we can hear everything, any sounds, like animal sound, any voices, music. It gives the sense of hearing. Now the fourth one is tongue. It gives the sense of taste. We taste with the help of tongue. Taste like sweet, sour, salty and spicy. Now the fifth one is skin. We can find skin all over the body. We touch with the help of skin. It can be a hot or cold, smooth or rough. We can feel that soft or hard. We can feel everything just by touching. Thanks for watching.